Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the different types of LinkedIn audience targeting, which we can do on the platform. So starting off with first one, which is under audiences, which is going to be list upload. So list upload is basically where you can go ahead and it allows you to target specific companies or individuals by uploading a custom list into the LinkedIn's campaign manager. So this is going to be a list of our company list. It can be the contact list of people whom you can upload their email address and name at the backend. And now with the help of which you can target them with your LinkedIn ads. This is going to be one of the audience targeting which we can do. Another one is going to be lookalike audiences. Lookalike audiences are basically those audiences which are similar to our matched audience segment. So people who are interacting with our website, people who are interacting with our ads, okay, that's our audiences. So now lookalike audience is going to be another audience segment where you can target those people who are similar to these who are interacting with our ads, who are interacting with our website. So that becomes a lookalike audience which you can also target and you can generate more leads and traffic to your website. Also, recently, LinkedIn launched another audience type, which is predictive, which is based on LinkedIn's AI. So with the help of LinkedIn's AI, it will expand its reach to identifying more users who are similar to our existing audience. So the LinkedIn AI will look at what kind of audiences do we usually target by looking at the kind of people who interact with our ads, who interact with our website. And now it is going to look out for similar audiences more in the LinkedIn network. And that way we can increase the reach of our users. There is also an option for LinkedIn ads retargeting, which is basically where we follow those people who interact with our ads, who interact with our forms or ads or any type of events which we have conducting on LinkedIn. People who attend the events or interact with the events, we can go ahead and follow them with our LinkedIn ads. So that becomes our retargeting option as well, which is available. LinkedIn also gives you another option for third party, which is basically where we can connect a marketing partner with the campaign manager, and you will be able to select from your third party audiences when defining a campaign's audience. When you integrate an audience from marketing partner with your ad account, the data you select from the partner platform will be matched with LinkedIn's members to create an audience segment. So depending on the size of your list and the marketing partner, it can take up to a week for your audience to fully process and be ready to use in a campaign. There is also another option, which is going to be audience attributes. So in audience attributes now, you can target people based on their company designation, their job experience, education, demographics, interests, and traits. So here again, you will see multiple subcategories provided for each of them. So that's the audience attributes. And then finally, another audience type is matched audiences, which is allows you to create custom audience for yourself based on how people interact with your ads, interact with your website, engage with your ads, how many people viewed your video ad or opened or submitted your lead form. So based on all these activities, we can create some custom audiences as well in the matched audience segment. So these are all the different types of audiences which we can target and reach out to our customers on the LinkedIn network. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand these audience types. We'll talk about these in detail as well. You will see how we are making use of it in live campaigns as well in the coming videos. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.